bum, ba-bum, bum, 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 bum. Okay, what's your answer? Is it time to turn the water on? If you said yes, no, it's not. I'm not going to turn the water on yet. If you said no, Joe, Video Joe, don't turn the water on yet. We know what you need to do. Give yourself a gold star because you are correct. Because here's what I want to explain to you. If you missed it before, if I turn the water back on, I could possibly loosen up any little sediment and stuff that has built up over the many years that this plumbing has been installed in this house. This house is probably 24 years old. And so anything that's caught inside the lines, when I turn the water back on, it might loosen up any little sediment. If I do loosen up any sediment, where do you suppose it's going to go? Where's that sediment going to go? It's going to come up the bottom of this fill tank, right? This fill valve, and it's going to get caught in the top where that little gasket was. You remember that gasket? It's a little rubber gasket. This is the one, see? Little, and this is rubber. And this was if we would have replaced that on the existing one. I decided not to do that. Okay, it has that gasket in there, but it's just a small little pinhole. And if you get anything caught up in there, then it could cause that little pin thing to not release properly when the fill valve says, okay, stop, the toilet's filled up high enough, leave it alone. Boom, leave it alone. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do that, but I'm going to, for the sake of demonstration first, so that you can see everything properly, I'm going to take the old one, the one that I disconnected, and show you how to pop that top off. I've never done it on this one, and it should pop off just like I'm going to do that one. So I'm going to get myself situated here. Be right back. Okay, so I'm going to show you here. Let's see if I can't do this on this one. I've never tried this on this one before. We're going to take this top off, mimic kind of like what you're going to have to do in the bathroom if this was in the tank. Okay, so we're going to have to turn this counterclockwise, which means I'm going to have to take this and turn it to the left, right? Okay, before I do that, this has to be up. So I've got to lift that up with my hand, and it says to just grab this and turn to the left until it clicks. And I used to think that I had to push down on here, and the new direction says just turn to the left. I'm going to hang on to this and see. Yeah, okay. See, I'm just turning to the left, just to there. Not much. And now I'm going to pull this off. Look at that. I got to remember, I want to put it on the very same way. Okay. And that's how you take that off. And here's the little rubber gasket right here. And there's nothing in it. I see you could have some stuff clogged in there, you could have something clogged in there. This might be this is over 20 years old. You could take the new one and put down in there, and let's say we just did that, we put it in, and we're going to take this, that thing came off the little hooky. Okay. We're going to, I'm not sure if I put that on right. Which direction I had it. See, it kind of matters, right? It kind of matters how you put that back on, apparently. Okay, and I got to have that up all the way, and I have to have that pushed down where it needs to be, and then turn it back to the right, and See, if I'm having this much of a time doing it here, can you imagine how you do it in your toilet? Now I got it, and now it's gotta snap. It's gotta snap into place. So it's kind of tricky to do it. And when it's on the toilet, it might be easier. Now I'm trying to do it with see, I'm having a hard time because my hands are slippery. Okay, but that's the idea. Good thing we're not reinstalling this one, right? Yeah, I would have to put my gloves back on, but you get the idea. You get the idea? That's got to be pushed up, and you got to hold your mouth just right, get it right back, and you'll see about where it is before you take yours off all the way. See, because this isn't in the toilet, I'm having to rethink exactly where that was. I think it was coming out like that, and that was there, and I think it was right there, and then this is supposed to click. It's supposed to click back on. Mercy me. Yeah. Boy, I'm having a hard time. I'm having a hard time doing it. Isn't that something? You know, maybe that's probably wasn't fitting in that. I'll see, when I pulled it off, that didn't come up with it, did it? Okay. And so now it was about in there somewhere. Yeah, there, see, it went right on. That's because the gasket, I should have put the needle up in there, because when I took it off, it was just down in there. Do you see what I mean? So you lift that up, turn to the left. Let's see here. I'll get you right behind the camera here. Okay. Okay, it's on there. Lift it up on that so that that's up. Turn it to the left, just to there, and pull that off. Okay. And see, the gasket's supposed to stay on there. On this particular one, it came off, but just because it was loose. But to put it back on, you just slip it on there, so it's on there, and then right there, and now it just pushes right on. See, with that up, I got it on. Okay, so that's what I have to do next on that new one. Really? Yes, I'm going to do that, because if there's any sediment that gets in there when I turn the water back on, I'm going to flush it out, and I'm going to show you that next.